for a new video. I'm unboxing a box. I don't know what is inside of it, so this is going to be exciting. Also, once there probably might be the subscribe button under this, so click it. Okay, now let's open it. Guys, this is pretty hard. What is this? Hey, yo! It's a board. What's this? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, one. That was about to destroy my childhood. What? What are these? Magnets? And a duster. What's inside this? Screws and bolts. But there are no bolts. There's screws. And what is this? Hey, this duster is pretty heavy. But now let's take out this. You know what? Why don't we just devour it? Never mind, we're not devour it. Oh, wait. This is pretty big. Yeah. Oh, it says what's in there. Look at these. Look. Yeah. Wow. So this is the front side, and this is the back side. It's the back side. Oh yeah, these magnets, they actually stick to each other and stick to this. I don't know why it's used. Look, I'm very smiling. And this. Now, you guys should do this. then scribe. Ah man. Yeah, you guys should do this. And if you're getting any paper like thing, then you can stick it with these magnets. But I still don't know what these buttons are for. Where do I keep them? Wow. Oh great. Oh no. I forgot the R. So, you know what to do. You should do this. Oh yeah. I will see you in the next video.